understand. You are exceptional in 1 or 2 rounds, still excel, very well, because see, nowadays, for the central government schools and all, they are teaching from the school level. But for us, actually, in our generation, you are learning at PG level. Excel, I said, 90% of the companies throughout the globe, they are using Excel. Excel add-ons also there. Please, we have the tie-up with the college, Excel Analytics. We have the beautiful certification program, advanced and basic. Use that program. For more information, you can reach Director Skill Development, Dr. Vani Madam. Okay. If you want, we can immediately start next week also. So anyone, you can approach Dr. Vani Madam for more details. She'll be very happy to organize from the next week onwards. Right? So Excel is very, very important. Excel, advanced Excel, pivot tables, you understand, pivot charts, what if analysis, correct? VLOOK. All these are the great concepts. Recently I share one example. Myself and Dr. Vani Madam, we registered. Father encouraged us to learn marketing analytics. We got an opportunity to register for one of the course, one of the premium institute in India, Wellinger Institute, Mumbai, V School. We both registered. Marketing analytics. What they use? They are used Excel only. They didn't use the Python or R programming. You see the power. Excel, there are the add-ons are there, which we don't know. Excel, there is a add-ons are there, and that is called advanced Excel. So any student, if you are very good at Excel, you can easily earn 1,20,000 rupees. You can start a job. It's not that because people are adding like Tableau, other languages and all. Don't concentrate that. Because please complete an MBA. But once you join with the company, then you upgrade. That is what actually. But being a student, whatever is college is provided, please take an opportunity. Always interact with students like Harsha. Harsha and Dheeraj, other 4 students also. They are very obedient and committed students. Hardworking also. I know sometimes she used to disturb at 10 o'clock also. So what I need to, and she used to WhatsApp, if I'm not wrong, what I need to do. Because I used to ask the HR, I used to communicate to the students. And you see, you have that freedom, all the faculties are there. Use the resources, use the college. College is having a wonderful textbooks. Microsoft Excel textbooks are there. So it looks like a Bible, you understand? I saw that. Plenty of Excel books are there. Thomson Publications. I saw in library. Why can't you use and refer certain things? You please note down. Excel functions are very, very important. Financial functions, mathematical, statistical, logical. Please concentrate on this. What if analysis, they'll ask the question. VLOOK, they'll ask. Filtering, they'll ask. Sorting, they'll ask. You understand? All these things, pivot tables and pivot charts also very, very important. Importing and exporting, connectivity, RDBC connectivity, remote database invocation. You can connect, access in the other databases. All these things, you must browse. There's so many thousands of lectures are there in the YouTube. YouTube is a guru actually. Whatever you want to know, what if analysis, please browse it. So it's a wonderful company, wonderful opportunity. 25,000 rupees they'll pay per month. You forgot to mention that. 25,000 rupees is not a small amount for the 3 months. Apart from 25,000, 75,000 rupees, very, very important. If you are intern with the Deloitte, this matters. Intern with Deloitte, that is through one of the premium institute like St. Joseph College. Think about yourself after completion of your MBA. So that's what it's a good opportunity, because HR company never come with a fixed mindset to select the students' number of students. It absolutely depends on your performance, your attitude. Way of communication also. Pleasing nature. Excuse me, sir. Can you come again, sir? I'm sorry, sir. No, if you use these words, what happens? You won't lose anything. Correct or not? Correct or not? You're going to get the benefit. And obviously, company is going to get the benefit. A valuable, a dedicated employee, obviously it is going to benefit the society. That's what I want to tell you. I really appreciate both the students. They had exams, last evening when I contacted, within 1 minute, they said, okay sir, we are ready to help our juniors. So that's what, they are very professional when they are in the third semester itself. So that's what I am very happy. Seriously, they are very professional. The way they are communicating, the way when you are asking the questions, they are answering. If they don't know also, they are trying to convince, they are trying to recollect what are their experiences. This is what is important. Sir, no one will help you, sir. No one will win. Self-motivation is very, very important. Why are you stating, sir? See, I'm very happy no student is looking their watches after 4 o'clock also. I'm very happy. This kind of the attitude is important. I know that. You have the patience to listen the lectures for the another 1 hour, 2 hours also. So now I request one student from MBA to please propose the formal vote of thanks to both the students. Come here.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Harsha, and thank you, Dheeraj, for conducting this interaction.
See, I am like a father in the house, myself and father. Will be every day, you will see, every day you will.
Sir, thank you for conducting this interaction with fellow interns, and I feel very good about it because we got the actual information regarding the HR rounds and the person rounds and co-cubes, etc. I feel very good about it. Before doing my interview itself, I am getting such a good knowledge regarding the interview. Thank you so much, both of you.
Anyone can share their experience of this book. What
You
is
must
your
write for Mike actually.
Mike, I told you, initiativeness is very, very important. According to Henry Fair.
Just
Correct,
two,
sir?
three
Please come,
sentences,
please come.
you will lose your stage.
Please come. Yes, Madhu.
Thank you so much, Dheeraj and Harsha ma'am. We are very glad that we are very glad to see you here, and it was really a helpful session for us because Deloitte is actually a big dream company for every one of us. So, isn't it? Isn't it? So thank you so much, and for me, I'm very glad to know my seniors are so helpful to us. Like the दूसरे college में ragging, but in our college, our seniors, they encourage us a lot. I have seen them how potential, like, they are always motivating us. So why can't we, why can't we get something from them? Instead of saying, "I to be chalo," we see like seniors will say, "Ah, light low," but we should not take them light. I have seen so many students that are saying, "Arey chalta hai," we can skip from this CRT class of today. But I am so thankful that they have came and everyone who have been here. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It was a girl over there, she was coming, right?
So remove the mask, we'll keep one poster also.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Father. My name is Florence and I'm from MBA first year. So thank you for the valuable things you have shared with us, because mostly our generation people, as per my knowledge, we don't have proper body language and we are all always stressed out and we're like, "Nahi aata, lightning." We have that kind of mentality. But I'm really glad that we are here standing and we are concentrating on stuff you have shared with us, because most of us, as Mishra said, most of us wanted to get into Deloitte. Even my elder brother always says me to try in Deloitte. It's really a good company. And thank you for letting us know how our body language, how interacting we should be, and what things we should concentrate on. What are the pros and cons? So thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
So it's an opportunity if anyone wants to talk, one or two students from the boys. Only one boy? Yeah, that's important because girls are telling that, why should boys have all the fun? Right?
So good afternoon, Father. Good afternoon. So the session presented by our seniors was really helpful for us. We actually got to know what exactly the HR and Deloitte persons are expecting from us. Like we were just saying, our interviewer would really हो जाता हुआ select हुआ, but exactly the rules, what they want from us and what they are expecting from us, we got to know, and what will be their expectations towards us. I hope we all will take that into consideration and prepare ourselves. We won't disappoint our father and our faculty members. Thank you.
I'm sorry, don't disappoint not father and me, don't disappoint yourself and your father, mother. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you guys. Thank you. Meet on Monday, same time, 2:50. Right. Attendance please, all the teachers are there.
Section please, please wait. One second. Before taking the attendance, I just want to talk about this particular session, because most of you have a doubt regarding the body language, communication, and also the resume building. So we are planning to have a special session exclusively on these topics by Daria. So because recently we had conducted this session for your seniors. So what she has shared, because she is being a present HR in KPMG, so she has shared a very valuable suggestions. I think so that would be very helpful for the juniors also. So I request Srinivas sir, let us conduct that, let us call that speaker and let us make our students to interact. Yeah. No, section B, wait for